Today we're going to be adding and subtracting by tens with my new hairdo. Alright, so we're going to start out really easy. 30 plus 20. So if we think of this in terms of 3 tens and 2 tens, it's just like adding 3 plus 2. So I have 10, 20, 30 plus 10, 20. So 10, 20, 30, count on 40, 50. Okay, it's going to equal 5 tens, which is the same as 50. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5. We're talking about tens, so the answer is 50. Here's one, the only difference is the subtraction. So we have 70 minus 20, which is 7 tens minus 2 tens. I drew a picture of 7 tens, and if I'm subtracting 2, that means I would take away 2, and so I count how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and those are tens. 5 tens left. 5 tens is 50. Now it starts to get a little more complicated because we have some ones involved. Okay, 30 plus 24. 30 is 3 tens, and the number 24 is 2 tens, 4 ones. So if I just look at my tens to start out with, I have 3 plus 2, which is 5 tens. My ones didn't change, so I have 4 ones. 5 tens and 4 ones is 54. You'll notice that the 4 didn't change because I'm not adding or subtracting any ones. I'm only changing my tens. 3 plus 2. So this problem is similar to the last one, except for we're subtracting. Notice the subtraction sign. So again, if I look at my number 87, these are my tens, these are my ones. Okay? My ones are going to stay the same. So I'm going to have 7 ones. If I look at my tens, I drew a picture down here. I have 8 tens. I'm going to get rid of 4 of them, and I see that I have 4 tens left. 4 tens, 7 ones is 47. So 87 minus 40 is 47. This one is a missing add-in problem. We may not do any of these today, but I wanted to take a look at it for those of you that are ready. This is saying I have 30 as one of my parts plus another part that I don't know yet. But these two equal 72. So if we look at it like a number bond, I'm seeing that 30 plus something equals 72. 72 is my biggest number. So my answer has to be a number that's less than 72. If I look at my picture, I have 30 already because I know that I have 30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count on until I get to 72. I'm going to start with tens. So I have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then to get to 72, I need to switch to ones. 71, 72. I'm going to count everything that I added in green to figure out how many I need to make 72. So I'm going to count just this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And I added 2 ones. 4 tens and 2 ones is 42. So 30 plus 42 equals 72. I could check my work by looking at my tens. 3 plus 4 is 7, and then my ones are going to stay the same, so 2. This is kind of a nice, easy day, and so work hard and show me your best work. I know you can do this. Today is Zern Day. Remember, we're trying to catch up on Zern and get through that first grade stuff. And so I really want you to work hard in Zern and focus on doing really well.